Hello dear traders, you're watching daily currency market news on InstаФорекс TV channel with me, Kate Nidachina. At the Asian session, the Japanese yen sank to the level of 123.33, which is the lowest level for about 8 years. After a dramatic fall, the USD GPI pair was moving sideways as the US dollar managed to keep up momentum after encouraging data on the US economy. However, yesterday's dollar rally against the yen had no impact on the US Treasury bond yields. So the US dollar was not able to hold an 8-year high against its Japanese rival and declined by 0.15% to the level of 122.89. A comment of Chief Cabinet Secretary Yoshihide Suga eased investors' concerns about the potential spread of verbal intervention from the United States and the Japanese authorities. In his words, fluctuations of exchange rates are not abnormal, and the growth of the US dollar contradicts the recent narrowing of the gap between the yields of the United States and Japanese bonds. Market participants are skeptic about Fed's decision on interest rate hike timing because of slowing down US economic growth rate in the first quarter 2015. The Fed intends to raise its interest rates, but the term of the first hike depends on economic statistics. The US dollar index, reflecting the dollar's positions against the 6 major rivals, reached a 2-year high on Tuesday. However, a greenback lost 0.31% and declined back to the level of 96.998 today. The US dollar is still supported by the comments of Fed Chair, but market participants focus on the G7 meeting, which takes place in Dresden on Thursday. Finance ministers of 7 countries will discuss Greece's problems in order to find the decision against default. It was InstаФорекс News and me, Kate Nidachina. Have a nice trading day.